You know I come from a city of sorrow, man. Ugly introduction, red snow, heartaches.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Wave. We back in with another banger, man. And today, I just want to show y'all a few drip essentials that came in the mail that I needed, and that's gonna better my waves and hopefully help my waves get a little bit better, man. I've been needing it, and they've been needing to come in. I just been needing new brushes, bro. I just been needing them for the longest. So we got 3 new brushes right here, as y'all can see. 2 Torinos. 2 Torinos, curve brush, and 1 royalty. You feel me? This one's a softie, right here. This right here, 5-row medium. This one right here, as I can see, I opened this one already. This a medium curve brush. Bang bang. Now these is all new brushes. Now we is gonna do a review on this brush right here. 5-row brush, see if it helps spread my waves out. And you know, we got a soft brush and we got a regular medium, man. Then we got another brush right here. Then we got them things came in, bro. That's 4 new brushes. Today, I'm about to show y'all the quickest way to bounce back your waves, bro. All right, y'all. So pretty much what you want to do is say your hair is trained, and you don't have to do a washing style because your hair is not dirty. You just woke up without your do-rag on. Pretty much the ways to bounce it back is basically grabbing your comb if your hair is trained and just comb it back in formation. Comb it the same way you brush. Feel me? It is gonna be up, but it's gonna be down. You know, it ain't gonna be up like a fro no more, as y'all can see. Comb just like how you brush. Make sure you hit the crown up. So now that you fully comb everything with the grain, you feel me? Now that everything is combed with the grain, what you want to do now? What you want to do now is pretty much grab your hard brush. Grab your hard brush. And after you grab your hard brush, you want to get you some oil. Right now I'm using this argan oil. As y'all know, we only use argan oil. Feel me? Argan oil. Spray a little bit out in the hand. I don't like spraying it in my head because I want it to get all over, so I'm gonna spray it in my hand. And then, you know, put that in. And then we're gonna test out one of these new brushes, man. Let's test out this space. I think I just broke my mirror, man. We're gonna see if it's broke. Woo, it's still the same way. It's still broke, but it ain't broken no more than what it was. Survived another fall, man. So like I said, man, y'all know the slogan, man. We in here sweating barbecue sauce. As usual, I know y'all see the sweat on the forehead glistening, but we still grinding. Feel me? Can't have the fan turned this way or it's gonna pick up the audio. But yeah, like I said, man, you feel me? Make sure that's all on there. And this brush is pretty dope. Like, come on now. It looks just like this brush I got over here. Let me hold on like 2 seconds. It looks just like this brush. It's like a twin, damn near, just a different color. This one, an extremely hard brush. Except for, as y'all can see, it got way more bristles on this one. This is 5-row. This is like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think maybe 8. I don't know. I ain't read it. I mean, I ain't see it good enough, but let's try this thing. Oh, okay. This like it's not as really hard as I expected it to be. But you can still use this. It's different. Like, now that I'm actually brushing my hair with it, it feels way different, bro. I could tell it's really gonna do its job, but let me just go in as usual. And we're gonna be using this for like a week straight just to give it a test. See what the difference is. It obviously ain't gonna make a difference on the first brush, but it's gonna be a difference eventually. On the first little brush session, it's not gonna be a difference. It got some good pull though, I can't lie, it got some good pull. Feel me? Then you get your hard, cause we woofing right now. Get the dust out of there. I don't know why I got dust in there. See, that's the real pull right there. Y'all know we entering them stages because the hard brush don't even barely hurt no more. When your hard brush don't hurt no more, you enter in them stages. And I'm talking about them woofing stages. All right, we need a curve brush to get that back in order, you know. Sweating barbecue sauce, y'all see it. Y'all see the barbecue sauce, man. Woo, woo. Wipe the sweat off your forehead. Grab your plastic bag. Now it's time for the ultimate bounce back part. Feel me? Now you just pretty much want to lay it down. What the plastic bag is doing is, you know, feel me? Wipe the barbecue sauce off. Barbecue sauce. It's pretty much just getting that frizzy hair laid, okay? You can use a soft brush or you can skip that. Today we skipped it. And then you can use a soft, you can use medium, you can use a hard, medium, and then your soft. But today we skipped that. We went hard, medium, and plastic bag. Same difference except for you'll probably have a way better lay if you do it all 3 steps. But this still good steps, man, right here. Still getting it locked in there. And right now, our brush collection all over the place, man. So we need to get that organized and all of that, man. Then we gonna go crazy on them reviews. We're gonna do all type of stuff. Y'all know we do reviews over here, man. We test out brushes so y'all know whether it's good to get or not. Cause I know y'all be like, damn, all these wave brushes coming out, but I don't know which one to get. I mean, as y'all see, all I did was use what? These two brushes right here, you feel me? Hard brush, medium 5-row brush, you feel me? And then this brush right here. That's all I use. For right now, that's all I use for this video. All right, man, now that you feel like everything is pretty much already laid down, everything is in formation, you got everything to where you want it to be. What you want to do is just take that rag, throw that bad boy on like that, flip it over like that, and as y'all see the tan, it's still there. I ain't tripping, but I'll bounce back soon as winter comes, bro. I'm gonna lighten up. You know, summer burn folks, you know. But yeah, just like rag up just like that, man. Like I said, link down in the description below, get you 35% off. 35% off. Y'all want any of the do-rags I showed y'all in the video, just go hit the link in the bio at www.3kingsmerch.com/ricothewaver, which will be in the description below, so y'all can get some do-rags. Get a discount on some do-rags, man. I mean, don't tie it too tight. You don't want to squeeze your brain. Just like that. Then you let your hair sit for about an hour or 2 hours. Let it fully lay down. You feel me? Go to bed, wake up in the morning, and and then you're gonna see your results. So we about to show y'all the results right now. And that's pretty much how you get it to bounce back from a fro to the waves. Man, y'all see how lady got my waves? You dig? If y'all just follow these steps just like so, your waves gonna be laid just like that, man. You already know, it's real simple steps. All you gotta do is just follow them the same exact way I've been doing it, bro. It's how you bounce back. That's exactly how you bounce back, man.